Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and I appreciate you joining me today. I have a small haul from Selfridges. I ordered 2 candles by the Caia Candle company. They're based in London. I really like the look of their candles. They're based on the female form. I wasn't expecting it, but the candles came beautifully wrapped in this pretty pink bow. It's always fun unwrapping something. So you can see the company name there. It's also here. This is my first time ordering candles from this company. So the candle in this box is Aphrodite. Inspired by Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty, this luxurious candle is both best suited for ornamental and practical purposes. If burned, place Aphrodite on a safe surface, ideally a tray to collect the hot wax. Hand poured and designed in London. This is Aphrodite. I have an artist background, so I really enjoy pieces that remind me of Renaissance art, Greek art, that kind of thing. It is 100% soy wax with a natural wick. It says that it's unscented, but there is a nice light fragrance to the candle. I'm not sure I will actually burn this candle. I got it more just for the artistic design. I think it's beautiful. These candles, I have the cream shade, and this is the 300-gram size. The candles also come in different larger sizes for more of a statement effect. And they also have additional colors. They range from natural skin tone shades to rainbow-like colors. This is the Hera candle. Inspired by Hera, the Greek goddess of woman, marriage, and childbirth, this luxurious candle is both best suited for ornamental and practical purposes. If burned, place Hera on a safe surface, ideally a tray to collect the hot wax. Hand poured and designed in London. And the same thing. Again, I really wasn't expecting the candles to come this nicely packaged. I appreciate it. I think it adds to the experience. And this is Hera. As I mentioned before, their candles are inspired by the female form. The name Caia is inspired by the Roman goddess of fire and women, Caia Caecilia. I think I said that right. And it also means to rejoice. They are $29 each from Selfridges. And I love shopping from Selfridges. I have the annual Shipping Plus option that is, I believe, $55 a year. I purchased it last year. It expired and I renewed it without hesitation because it is such a great value. These are beautiful. I will have them on display. I'm not sure where I'm going to place them yet. There will probably be, I wish I could show these better. The angle of my camera, probably have to do something like that. I will probably have them on display either on my vanity or somewhere else in my home. And I more than likely will buy additional candles at different sizes. They have this male torso one. I cannot recall what it's actually called, but it comes in a very large size. Like I said, a statement piece size. I'll probably get that one eventually. I know I will get one of these in a statement size as well. Will I ever burn them? I'm not sure, but I do enjoy looking at them. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see more luxury beauty items, please like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye.